Nightmare Manor.
Is that where the haunted house was?
Yeah. Going to Spirit. Which they don't have anything, but I'll just show you guys. But they literally do not have anything. What if the door just like opens?
Compromise at Nightmare Manor.
Where?
It says right here, compromise at Nightmare Manor. There isn't anything in there, right?
Oh no, there's some stuff like, oh.
Jeez.
Look at that big gorilla guy.
Look at that guy standing there, yeah. You see it?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see.
Do you see the alien there?
What?
Do you see the alien standing there?
Yeah, do you see like the monster guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's huge. Which I don't know what they'll use for that in there. There it is, Spirit. Which they do not have anything. Yeah, it's basically like that. They do not have anything. But here we are. And I do not think that, yep, there it is.
This is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
It's gonna be in here?
Yeah.
Is this a different location for them?
No, usually it's here.
This has always been the same.
Yeah.
The spot just looks a lot different. Does it?
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah,
Wait,
see?
this is a different spot for them.
No, this is the same thing.
No, because look at the counter's gonna be down here, dog.
No, it's usually right there.
I know, but there's a counter right there.
Yeah, they don't use that. Oh, they do have, they have some stuff on it. So it's like Spirit.
I feel like this is a different space. This is the old Navy.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. They were in a different space before.
Probably. Oh, yeah.